How to lose weight fast, 5 easy steps. Do you need to lose weight as quickly as feasible? When it comes to rapid weight loss, it's essential to take a wholesome approach, one that promotes lack of fat, retention of muscle, and increases your likelihood of retaining the weight off. After analyzing our new guide, you'll be in your manner to losing weight quickly in 5 easy steps. Are you ready to start losing fat in a healthy way whilst enjoying scrumptious, nourishing meals that stops you from feeling hungry or disadvantaged? 1. Cut manner returned on carbs. Start via getting rid of ingredients excessive in carbs, goodies, bread, pasta, fruit, and comparable foods. Going low carb can significantly accelerate weight loss, for numerous reasons. First, consistent with notable research, very low-carb diets, also called keto diets, reduce hunger. This lets in you to consume much less and shed pounds quickly without deliberately limiting calories and without feeling hungry or deprived. Several studies have proven that low-carb ingesting is greater effective than different diets for losing fats quickly. This incredible fat loss may be partly because of the drop in insulin degrees that occur for the duration of keto ingesting. When insulin stages are low, your body is primed to burn rather than keep fats. 2. Eat masses of protein. Protein is an essential nutrient your body wishes to live to tell the tale and thrive. In addition, boosting your protein intake may additionally assist speed up your weight reduction. For starters, protein can suppress your appetite via triggering your body to release hormones that help you sense complete and happy. In addition, protein has a higher thermic effect than fat and carbohydrates. This approach your body burns barely greater energy digesting protein compared to the 2 other macronutrients. Eating lots of protein also can help you preserve your all-important lean mass and prevent your metabolism from slowing down as you shed pounds. Indeed, numerous systematic critiques of randomized controlled trials have proven that better protein diets tend to sell weight reduction whilst maintaining muscle. We endorse ingesting 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein in step with kilogram of reference weight or best body weight per day. For example, a female who currently weighs 170 kilos but whose ideal frame weight, or reference weight, is 130 kilos, 59 kilos, would purpose to consume 69 to 118 grams of protein consistent with day. Are you getting enough protein? In this guide, we'll proportion the 10 meals highest in protein and offer guidelines for including them for your own food plan. 3. Keep fats consumption mild. When you're looking to drop kilos quickly, consuming less fats may seem to make feel. However, it's no longer a good idea to consume a eating regimen that's low in each carbs and fats. You'll likely grow to be feeling deprived inside some days or perhaps weeks, and it genuinely isn't sustainable long term. That stated, consuming immoderate quantities of fats isn't a good strategy for short weight reduction either. Even on a very low-carb food regimen, consuming more fats than your body desires can slow down as opposed to speed up weight reduction. So don't add huge amounts of butter, heavy cream, or other fats for your meals. Also, keep away from or minimize your consumption of fat bombs and similar treats that provide very little protein or different nutrients. Instead, consume enough fats to add flavor and richness in your meals but now not a lot that you are feeling stuffed. Let your frame burn its saved fats in place of the fats you are ingesting. On a keto or low-carb food plan, fats is your primary energy source, so choosing healthful types and ingesting the proper amount is important. In this guide, we'll let you know all about fats and help you make the great alternatives. 4. Go for non-starchy vegetables. Leafy veggies and different non-starchy greens are first-rate meals for immediate weight reduction. They're very low in carbs and calories but provide fiber that assist you to experience complete. The Atkins diet, which has helped thousands and thousands of humans lose weight, recommends ingesting 2 cups of leafy green greens and 1 cup of different low-carb greens every day. This advice is designed to supply speedy weight loss at some point of the initial degree of the weight loss program. In the 2007 A to Z weight loss trial, those who observed the Atkins weight loss plan misplaced an average of 10 kilos within the first months, a long way extra than people who observed the opposite 3 diets being studied. Other studies have also pronounced fast weight loss in contributors who blanketed numerous daily servings of low-carb vegetables. While these research don't show that the vegetables caused the weight reduction, they do display that low-carb, fiber-stuffed veggies can be a part of a rapid weight loss food plan. How many low-carb veggies have to you devour? We advise that you eat as many keto-friendly vegetables as you need whilst staying within your day-by-day carbohydrate target. For many humans, this may be approximately servings in step with day, however a top-notch deal of man or woman variant exists. 5. Get a few workout, however don't overdo it. Will exercise for several hours each day help you lose weight faster? According to studies, bodily interest with the aid of itself has a confined impact on weight reduction. What you consume appears to play a much larger role. However, getting ordinary workout can offer benefits all through weight reduction. Engaging in cardio interest, for example, taking walks quickly or bicycling, and resistance training, for example, lifting weights, can improve your metabolic fee and assist hold muscles as you shed pounds. While it's right to have interaction in physical pastime, running out vigorously for numerous hours every day isn't important or beneficial for weight reduction and correct fitness. Plus, making dramatic changes to both your weight loss plan and exercise recurring at the identical time may be overwhelming. So try to lift weights, do push-ups, or carry out other resistance workout for 15 to 30 minutes sometimes per week. Walk, run, dance, experience a bike, or do similar aerobic hobby for 30 to 60 minutes on most days, if feasible.
9.
In brief, aim to move your body in some manner every day without forcing yourself to do more than you can with ease cope with. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to press like and subscribe.